Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today we will learn some tips about how to manage our money. We all know that there is abundant money supply in this universe. But some are having a lot, whereas some are not able to get much. Why this difference? Why some are poor, some are very, very rich? Then why these poor people are not able to earn their own? Or what is the reason? Where they go wrong? Today let us see this. Because God has given all of us beautiful gifts like our human body, thinking mind, working hands, walking legs, everything. Even then, why the difference? Where some people fall short to earn money in a right way, I mean. Whereas some are very, very smart. Let us go through that. First thing is, we should start investing money as early as possible. As early means what? When you start earning, immediately you should start investing as well. Because it is a skill. As saving money is a skill, in the same way investing money is also a skill. Invest in the right manner and don't invest it because your friend tells, your relative tells, or what you saw on TV or read in newspaper, or according to the trends. No, your knowledge is very, very important. You should invest in such things where you are interested and where you are having at least some primary knowledge. Otherwise, if you just look at others or listen to others and invest, you are knowing there are chances of losing. And we have to monitor on all our expenses. Because what happens, many times some people say that we earn a lot, but we are not able to save. Then we have to monitor it. Where our earning goes. Easiest thing is keep on having the record in black and white. Keep on writing daily expenses. At the end of the month, go through it. See wherever unnecessary expenditures you have done, and you should know control it. So data never tells lies. That is why it is very, very important to write it. Now, another thing is, there are some people who spend just to make a show off. My neighbor is having such a vehicle, so I should have that. My neighbor is bought a new house, then I too have to buy it. So you go on competing, whether you are in need or not. Nobody is bothered. Just to compete with others. Many times we do such expenses. We should stop it. It can be luxurious like car, marriage, honeymoon trip. People, you are knowing, they take loans. So, while taking personal loans, be careful. See that you will never take a loan for your luxuries. And next thing is, keep your friendship, relations and investment different. Because your friend tells, okay, he's working in some insurance company, he tells, okay, buy this, you bought. After a few days, he changes his job, he quits that and he joins another. No, you should not do this mistake. Friendship is different, investment is different, relation is different, investment is different. You should invest only when you feel it is right. Then only invest it. Do some study in that. After all, it is your money. So, you should know it well. Now, your income should increase year by year. Year by year means how you can increase it? By adding value to your work. When you add value to your work, naturally your income will increase. In this way, we should increase our income. Now, while doing all this, never postpone enjoying life. Some people think that, okay, when I earn such a lot, then I will enjoy. No. While doing all these things, even your enjoyment, that is also important because life is only once. So this we should know. And that is why we should enjoy our life also. We should have a good family. And many times we see that if the family relations are good, if we love our family, we are able to manage everything well. That is why even family relationship is very, very important. For me at least, I feel that family is very, very important. Along with that, physical fitness. Don't be after the money without looking at your health. No. It is very, very important health. If we are healthy, then only we can earn money. So, 3 F's we have to pay attention. That is our physical fitness, then our family, then our finance. So we should be able to manage all 3 together. They are interrelated. Interrelated means if you are physically fit, you can earn well, you can work well. And if you are having good family, you will have peace of mind, you will enjoy your life. And for all these things, for enjoyment, to having or to keep the family well, finance is also needed. So these all 3 are interrelated. You can't neglect any one. All 3 are interrelated. You have to pay attention towards your fitness. You have to pay attention towards your family. You have to pay attention towards your finance. So, if we look at all these things and have a proper balance, that is very, very important. Balance. Proper balance between these 3, that is family, fitness and finance. We can have a nice life and we can manage everything well. We can manage our money. At the same time, we can manage our family. That is why we should learn to be smart enough so that we can manage our money in a proper way. Have a nice day.